What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 20th of March. It's Monday. We're going to look at XRP/USD this morning. Daily chart, Bitstamp will be the data. Before we jump into XRP, guys, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, see what's going on with the elephant in the room. So we have had a phenomenal run up for Bitcoin. We have moved basically from our bottom to the high, call it a 46% move. A huge move, guys, from the 19,000s up to the 28,000s. Bitcoin current resistance right now perfectly is 28,249, one of our levels up here we've had on the chart for a while. Next target above that, guys, if we can get above this 28,249, it's 30K dead ahead for Bitcoin. We'll see if it happens. RSI, though, looking pretty lofty. It can go higher. Of course, it can go higher. We saw the RSI go much higher back in here into the high 80s. We are currently at the mid to low 70s. So that run to 30K could definitely be not far away. Back to XRP, guys. XRP USD Bitstamps the data daily chart like I mentioned. So what's going on here with the XRP chart? I know there's a lot of stuff going on in the XRP community on YouTube. Lots of different XRP video creators talking about all kinds of stuff all over the place. I've been watching XRP. I watch it every day, probably too long every day. We are outside of this pennant pattern that I have on my chart. The overhead line here in white, this resistance line, you can see XRP has bumped its head, its price many times on that line. We had a breakout over here on the early days of March, call it the 8th. Pulled back in on the 9th, all the way back down to the bottom, found support. We have broken back out, guys. We are officially out of the pennant pattern. We're getting a pullback today. Price is down 1.1%. So we'll see. I think we are close to a blast off move to the upside. We will talk about that. So current resistance right now on my chart is a level which is at 39.9 right here. That's this white line on the chart. Price is 39.999, and then it goes into 39 cents right here, almost the 40-cent mark. This is a very important level right here, and you can see the price not only back in here, which was mid-February, guys. So mid-February, we had resistance at that same level. It was support over here in January. Then it flipped into resistance when the market broke lower. And now, if you look right here on the 8th of March, market moved higher, tried to break out, couldn't. Broke out of the pennant pattern, weak close, but found resistance at the 39.99 level. Pulled back, broke out of the pennant pattern, once again moved up to the 39.9, which was yesterday, the 19th of March on Sunday. Sunday was a nice day for XRP. And now we are, it's basically an inside day so far. Resistance is down at another level there, which is 38.760. This line on the chart is current resistance. So the 39.9 level, which I have this box wrapped around here, is a very crucial area. I think if XRP can get above that line, that 39.9 level, and hold, it could be off to the races. It could be big. And it could be as quick as our next test up there. Maybe it's today. Maybe it's sometime this week. We'll have to see the markets. So my opinion on Bitcoin is, yes, the RSI can go higher. The price is looking like it's a little lofty, but I think that maybe that initial run up to 30K is still in the books before we see any kind of cooling off. But things seem to be slowing down slightly. That doesn't mean I don't think Bitcoin's going much, much higher, but in the short term, some sideways to downside pullbacks before a blast higher. So that should have an effect on XRP. So let's say Bitcoin does blast up to 30K. We could see that initial move for XRP being very, very strong. So once we break that 39 level, the price could really, really start to ramp up, definitely up into the 40s. So I have a bunch of levels up here, the 42, 43, and yeah, right, all these levels right here. So that's definitely a possibility, which takes us over to this high over here on the 23rd of January. Targets for this shorter term pattern here, this wedge down that is looking like it's just getting ready to break out to the upside, takes us up to 47 and 50. So we could see that very, very quickly. Keep in mind, once we get above 39.9, this is a very important level. If we can get a solid breakout above 39.9 and hold a strong close, no reason why we won't see a 47, 48, 50 cent XRP. Those are very easily in the books once we can get above, stay above 39.998. I believe it is. It's over here. So keep that in mind, guys. The price is bumping its head. Let me draw this out for you. The price is bumping its head at 39. We got to pull back to support at our lower pennant. And then we once again bounced, and we're pulling back. Eventually, this thing will have a breakout above 39, and we want to see it hold. That's the key. And that initial breakout could be so strong that it takes you all the way up into this 40s or even higher in one candle. Easily, we've seen XRP make massive moves like that. We'll see. I know everybody in the market is looking for, a higher XRP, which I do believe in that. But when everybody in the market looks for the same thing, a lot of the times that doesn't play out, which would lead to a lower XRP. So that's something to just keep in the back of your mind here. Being part of the XRP community, being an XRP holder for many, many years, nothing surprises me anymore with XRP. And just when you think something's going to happen, the opposite takes place, and it usually takes place in a huge, huge way. So we'll have to see what happens here. But 39.9, it's a very important level. Keep your eye on it. Keep your eyes on it, guys. When we get a break above that, it could come in a huge, huge way, definitely taking us up to the lower 40s. And then we have our mid 40s to our 50 cent easy target. RSI still looking very, very good here as we are trending higher. That's great. Have a lot of room to go, which would also confirm that the 40 to 50 cent target is potentially not too far away, all depending on what the elephant in the room does, Bitcoin, which has been on a tear. All right, guys, let's get into some higher price targets for XRP. I want to thank all of the 1,730 or so subscribers to the channel. Appreciate it. Welcome all the new subscribers, and thank you to all of my current subscribers who have been around for the early days here in the channel. Thank you, guys. Appreciate all the comments, everybody being involved with the channel. So we have a couple upper targets here. Now, they are conservative targets. I know XRP, the XRP community has much higher targets, and so do I, but we're going to talk about based on this recent pullback here, this recent pennant, this recent wedge, whatever you want to call it here. Not going to get too carried away with the names. And it's, it's not perfect. We don't have the highs perfectly laid out, but when XRP really decides to move, it's not going to matter anyways. So we have, we're not going to fret over pennies, I should say. So basically going back to the April timeframe of 2021, keep in mind we're in 2023 now, and this is going back to 2021. This is a huge, strong pattern with a ton of energy built up, getting ready to be released potentially any day now. It could obviously still move before the lawsuit news comes out. There's all kinds of crazy stuff going on in the banking industry, the stock market. Anything is possible right now. But anyways, going back to April in 2021 to current times, which is March of 2023, heading into the end of March here. So based on this pattern alone, now this isn't the all-time high for XRP. This is worth that $1.96, I believe. I remember those days pretty vividly, and to where we are currently trading at in the 30, wherever XRP is right now, 38 or 39 cents. So we have two new upper targets for this breakout. One being at $2.12. That takes us above the $1.96 or so high based on this Bitstamp chart. $2.12. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be like, XRP is going to, I have targets at $6 to $11. I have targets much higher than that. Some people say $10,000 XRP, $100 XRP. I get it. Based on this pattern, easily, when this thing really starts to ramp up here, we will easily see a $2.12 XRP just based on this alone. Above that, guys, actually, before we get to that, let's take where we are currently trading just to give you a rough idea. So we'll call it like 38 there. Just on a percentage basis, guys, if we get that $2.12 XRP from where we're currently trading at now, 400% move to the upside. So if you simply own XRP today and it goes up to $2.12, that's a 400% return. It's just that alone is unbelievable, and the amount of money that could be made on that alone is unbelievable. So if XRP goes, anywhere near that, the returns are, for some people, life-changing. If not, it's very, very rare to get hundreds and hundreds of percent returns. It could take many months, could take longer than that, could happen in a couple days. So we have another target here for XRP above that, which would be $2.85, approaching that $3 range. $2.85 based on this big pullback over a couple years here. Like I said, these are very conservative price targets, guys, but I'm not going to get carried away with those crazy high XRP, 10,000, whatever the case may be. Could it get to those? That's for a different conversation in a different video. If you're still watching this video, let me know what you think XRP price will be down in the comments. You don't have to put a time frame on it, just in general. Maybe you're thinking 5 years out, maybe you're thinking 1 year out or 6 months out. Just go ahead and feel free to leave that down in the comments. At $2.85 XRP. I would be personally very happy with a $1+ XRP. We have been trading for, you can see, basically a downtrend since 2021, and we're at 30 cents. So a $1 XRP would be very, very, it's welcome, to put it that way. From where we're currently trading at to $2.85, over a 600% return. Crazy. And like I said, I think these are very conservative. I have much higher targets. 6 to 11 is not too long ago, I put out a video about that. 600% return, guys. $2.85 XRP price target. We should easily hit that 212 to 285 range. I also have one above that at 292. Definitely very possible. And if you did something like through the Fibonacci zone here, so we'll take that swing high down to the swing low over here roughly. We'll zoom out. We'll zoom this chart down. So just based on this move alone, guys, the swing high to the swing low, which is somewhere in that June 22 range, The 1618. So just hitting the 1618 gets you a let's see here. Yeah, $6.40 or so. Call it a $6 XRP. Just based on this pattern, guys. This isn't even the all-time high. This is $1.96. $6 XRP. You can see my $11 target up here, 6 to 11. That $6 price is very interesting. I think there's a lot of weight held right there. The 2618, guys, just based on this pattern alone, is a $44 XRP. So if you use the fibs and you've measured prior moves that the XRP has done in the past, swing highs to swing lows, throw the fibs up there and you can see a lot of these numbers come into play at major tops. $6 XRP, $44 XRP, and if you want to get carried away here, $300 XRP, $997 XRP. So, like I said, my $2 and $2.85, $2.12 to $2.85 XRP price targets are very conservative. But let's not forget that XRP is trading at 39 cents right now. So a 400 to 600% return will be phenomenal, and it's very, very welcomed. Guys, thanks for hanging around here. Exciting times ahead, I believe, for XRP. But let's not forget, keep in the back of your mind that everybody in the XRP community, unless you completely hate XRP, is looking for a higher price move, which is a thing of concern because when everybody is looking the same way, it is not good. Sometimes the opposite will take place. Do I want that to happen? No. Do I think that will happen? There's a small chance that I do think that'll happen. But I think it's worth keeping in the back of your notebook, the back of your head, that anything's possible here in these markets, especially when everybody's looking for the same thing, unless you completely hate XRP. But that doesn't probably hold too much weight. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. See what happens here, guys. I'm rooting for the bullish trend. I can't ignore this pattern here, and this pattern screams to me a massive, massive breakout to the upside. And I hope I am wrong by a couple digits, and we don't see a $2 XRP, we see a $20 XRP or a $200 XRP. You guys have a great Monday. It is the 20th of March. This is not financial advice. Let me know your price targets for XRP down in the comments, guys. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. It's a long one. Hopefully you enjoyed. Keep your eye on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin potential resistance right now is at 20. Let's see here. Let's zoom into the charts. 28,249.67 is where resistance for Bitcoin is right now. If we break above that today or tomorrow, 30,234 should be hit. You guys take care.